Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to share Instagram post to story. If you are using Instagram and you want to share anyone's Instagram post as your own story, so let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open your Instagram app, and here you just have to look for the post which you want to share as your own story. So for example, I'm going to share this one. So simply tap on the share option and you'll get the option of add to story. You just have to tap on that and then tap on your story here, and the post will be added to your own story. Or in some cases, if you don't find the option here add to story under some posts, so you can still add the post as your own story. You just have to tap on share, then copy the link. After copying the link, you just have to look for the app which is Instant Save. You can easily install this app from your App Store or Play Store. Open your Instant Save app, or you can also use the website which is Save Insta. So I'm going to use this app here, or let's use the website. If you have to search for Save Insta and the website will be open, just open the first website from here and paste your copied URL. Here paste your copied link. Once you have pasted, tap on this download option and your download will start it. Just wait for this. Then tap on close option here, skip that, and here just tap on download video. And once a video has been downloaded, you can easily upload it as your own story. So just wait for it until your download completes. So once your download has been completed, you just have to open it in your files app, then keep a long press on it, and then tap on share option here. And here, if you are using any Android phone, you can directly share it on to your Instagram. But if you're using any iPhone, you have to first save your video to your photos or the gallery app. After saving the video, you'll find it in your photos or the gallery app here. Here's the video. Now you just have to open your Instagram app again, tap on this plus story option, select the video you have just downloaded, tap on done, then tap on your story, and it will be sent to your own story. So in this way, you can easily share an Instagram post as your story. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.